We're here today at New York City Rescue. With me is Rachna, who is from JP Morgan Chase's Aspire group, right? The volunteer group. And so today we have a lot of volunteers in New York City Rescue. And that's made a very unique and special situation for the shelter's guests. Today, every guest has their own assistant to take care of their needs, look after them, make sure they're getting enough pizza. It's a pretty cool feeling, you know, because I mean, they're not normally you're not gonna have. You have a few volunteers, you have 4 or 5. Today we have what, 16, 18? So it's great. You can see lots of pizza right here behind me. And if you pan over to over there, you will see there's a whole. Let's pan the entire room. You'll see there's a whole bunch of volunteers everywhere, tending to every need of the guest. If somebody wants coffee, they're not having to get up. They tell the volunteer, and the coffee is brought to them, pizza is brought to them, anything is being brought to them. So, you know, every shelter has its own special, unique moments that happens. Something unique always happens in these pizza parties. That's why these keep on happening, and more keep happening. Something magical about them. So, thank you to Chase, JP Morgan Aspire Group. Thank you to thank you to all the guests that are here. I mean, what can I say? I highly recommend everyone to come and volunteer at the parties. It will change how you feel, because when you're volunteering, you feel the emotion. You can never be jaded after that. You realize the value of what something simple can mean. Once you have the value of something simple in your mind, in your brain, you will never become jaded, and you will realize exactly how blessed you are. So you know what? We all are blessed, and we all have so much bounty and fortune with us. And it's great that so many people are sharing what we have with those that are at this current time don't have what we all have. So that's a bit about what Pizza for the Hungry also is. So let's pan around the room again. We got this is a mother and daughter duo right here. Wow. They're from another volunteer group, right? From Comunitas. Comunitas, yeah. So I mean, they're here to prepare a salad. You see, they got a whole lineup again of all those pizzas ready to be served. So that's the scoop. All right.
All right. Thank you.